Today, we will discuss what is average basic concept. There are some frequently asked questions in this, like average speed of vehicle, average of numbers. Don't worry. Today, we will get the answer for what is average basic concept. Let's discuss this in a very brief manner. So first, let's know what is average. Average, the result obtained by adding several quantities together and then dividing this total by the number of quantities is called average. And the equation for average is adding several quantities, that is sum of observation divided by number of quantities for that number of observation. We must know the main objective of average is equal distribution of value among all. Now to understand this concept more clearly, let's see an example. That is, 5 students and 10 apples are there. How will you divide it equally? So let's apply average equation here. Equation. Average is equal to sum of observation by number of observation. Here sum of observation is 10 apple, number of observation of 5 students. So average is 10 divided by 5 and we get 2. So each student will get 2 apples. So now you see how easy it is to do. The best thing is there are more easy tricks to find average. So firstly, average speed is equal to a plus b by 2. Next, for the same distance point A from point B, b-axis we have x kilometer per hour and going back to point A we have y kilometer per hour. So average speed of the car is 2xy by x plus y kilometer per hour. Let's make it more clear. When one travels at speed A for 1/3 of the distance, at speed B for another 1/3 of the distance and speed C for rest of the 1/3 of the distance. So it will be like for A kilometer per hour and B to C, B kilometer per hour and C to A, C kilometer per hour. So average speed is equal to 3abc divided by AB plus BC plus CA. So in next, if a person covers A kilometer at x kilometer per hour and B kilometer at y kilometer per hour and C kilometer at z kilometer per hour, you can see as shown in the picture. Then the average speed in covering the whole distance is equal to A plus B plus C divided by A by x plus B by y plus C by z. Now in second case, we will be dealing with average of series number. This is when the number of term is even. So average will be equal to average of two middle terms. That is, finding the average of 1, 3, 5, 7. So in number of terms, it will be 4 and that number is even. So average of two middle term is equal to 3 plus 5 divided by 2 and we get 4. In this case itself, when the number of term is odd, average will be equal to middle term. Finding the average of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, number of terms we get 5 and that 5 is odd number. So average of middle term 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, we get 5. So hope you understood this technique and thanks for watching our video.